Good night. Now I have two inverters. The one we have issue in battery low. First, I need to provide a voltages. That's okay, man. Don't worry. It's okay. And now I need to turn on this inverter and need to zoom in. Oh man. And let's check. The LCD light is very low. So I need to turn off my light. And let's check the issue. Okay, no any feedback. It's okay, I'm turning on again. Okay, we receive a voltages from inverter, but we have an issue in this inverter. Battery low. Now I provide 48.54 and battery low is on 47.2 volt. Now first I need to check the setting. But down or up key is not working. So first we need to set the buttons and replace these buttons, and after that we need to check the setting first, and after that we can decide what the issue in this inverter we have. Okay, so first of all I need to turn on my lights. That's okay. First I need to uncover this inverter or remove the top cover from this inverter. And we need to know about first we have an issue in our setting or we have an issue in our battery sense section. Okay, I'm just removing the top screws, the top core screws. Okay. That's okay. Now I need to remove the top core first. Here we have two more screws on this. First I need to remove them. I need to remove. Oh man, here we have another screws. Carefully, okay. First I need to remove this strap and this. First of all, for this issue we need to replace this switches. Okay. After that, I found a loose strap. So first I need to check the buttons. It's okay. I need to press this button first, but the click sound I am not feeling. The click sound, no. I need to replace these buttons first because I am not feeling the click sound for these buttons. Okay. First you need to remove this. Don't worry, my bench is clean. It's okay. Remove this. Okay. First we need to remove this. We have a click sound. We have an issue in this designing because the button knob body is touching with the button body, and this is the reason I am not feeling the good sound of clicking the button. Okay, so first I need to remove these knobs, and after that I need to check these buttons first. Sorry. And after that we can decide what the issue we have in the cell order. Okay, so you can check this. The fin 1 and fin 3 are the fin 2 and fin 4. Keep the multimeter negative positive probe and set your multimeter on continuity mode. Keep the probes on pin 2 and pin 4 are pin 1 and pin 3. Okay, because the pin 1 and pin 3 is connected and the pin 3 and 4 is connected already. Okay, so you need to keep your probes on pin 2 and pin 4 are pin 1 and pin 3, but we have no any continuity when I press the button. Okay, this button is damaged. Now the turn to check this button. We have some continuity, so we need to replace this, and this is the third button. Some continuity we have. Okay, we need to replace this, and this is the last button. We have a continuity in this button, so first we need to remove these buttons first. You can remove this direct with fingers, and you can attach some sharp tweezer here. Okay, and provide some solders, new solder. Okay, for all pins. Okay, and hold the tweezer and PCB both and melt these two pins and these two pins. Okay, and now you can remove easily this button. Okay, the same process for others. Same process for other. First I need to solder this buttons first, and you can use the desoldering wheel. You can use this. Okay, but the easy way is that you need to provide some more solders. For good heat contact, I need to boost my soldering station. Okay, I boosted, and this is the easy way to keep the button in fingers. No, this is not the good way because I wear gloves. Okay, attach this sharp tweezer or sharp thing here and melt this, and now you can attach properly. Okay, remove. Now for this, okay, melt at a time. Okay, now the turn to remove this switch, and I have no any area for this, so I need to create some area. And after that, melt at a time and remove the buttons. Okay, and now we need to clean this with a desoldering wick, or you can remove this because this is the single layer PCB, but this is not the good method. We need to remove this with a desoldering wick. This is the desoldering wick. I need to keep this PCB fixed or keep in something, but man, I need to get a little PCB holder. Okay, after that, cut the use desoldering wick first, and then I cut a lot. Okay, set this, no problem. This is the anti-heat tool. Oh man, this is not the good soldering or desoldering experiences. I am trying on this method, but this method is not working here. Oh man, I am going fail, completely fail in this desoldering, because in this time I have not a PCB holder, so quickly I need to remove this without viewing in camera. Okay, and when I done, I need to show you in camera. Okay, here we have a lot of soldering. First I need to remove this with the soldering iron. Okay, and now I need to use some desoldering wick for this. Okay, I use a lot. Oh man, and finally I have a little more. Cut this. And use okay, I done all, and now I need to just install the buttons, new buttons, and after that I need to clean this. Okay, one, two, three, four. It's okay. First I need to install this. Yeah, you can install with gloves, and you can install with without gloves. Not a dangerous thing. Okay, now I need to keep the finger on this and bend this little. Okay, little bend, just don't fall down. Okay, now I am telling you, oh, one eye fall down again, but you can fix this. First you need to solder just one pin, temporary, okay, for all buttons. Just solder temporary. And I need to install this again. Okay, and you can provide the solder like this. Hold the button. Okay, and now set the position with this pin. Okay, and press the button for good position. Okay, and now the turn for this. Okay, press or push and set the position first. Okay, and melt, and now you can solder this properly. Boost. Okay, now I need to just clean and check. Okay, a lot with this, and now this is the soldering flux. One more cotton swab for this. Okay, it's clean. Okay, completely clean. Just check. Okay, now I need to install this again, but first I need to install the knobs and check. Yes, I'm feeling good click sound, and as you can hear, okay, okay, I need to remove this label from this area. It's okay, okay, done. Done, and install this. First I need to set this. It's okay. Install first this strip. It's okay. Oh man, why? Okay. what the design. Okay. Now I need to tighten this. Okay, position is there. Check the click sound first. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I need to check this first and zoom out. This is the inverter. Okay. Install first the LCD strip here carefully. Okay. Now we need to check first the setting. This is the positive. Okay. First I need to decrease my power supply for no sparking. And now I need to increase again. First turn off the inverter. This is the 48 volt system. Turn on. It's okay. Our screen view. Okay, now we need to check the setting first. Okay, press the down key. Solar, it's okay. 30 amps. APL. SDS, it's okay. User defined. Yeah, we have user defined setting, but first we need to check. 46 full, it's okay. Solar and utility, it's okay. Cut off 54.5. Flute 54.5. I think this is set for lithium battery. Cut off, okay, 46 volts. Okay, and first we need to check the real voltages with this LCD voltages. 51, it's okay, and I provide 51 something, it's okay. Then inverter is okay, just we need to replace the buttons, but okay. And the inverter is okay. But before this operation, I was not sure. Okay, I have some comments to read in my other device. Yeah, this is the live stream. Oh man, play the live stream. Down the volume, it's okay. Okay. Walyara was a repairer que Inverter, yes, this is the inverter. And I need to repair one more inverter. And my previous repairing is that. And you can watch, this is the very beautiful repairing. Negative voltages and positive, and I teach you about the PWM for every IGBT. It's okay, and I need to assemble this tomorrow because now I am very tired, and I need to create one more live stream in English language because the English languages people subscribe me for videos, so I need to make more videos in English. And let's check. I have a lot of inverters for repairing. Okay, and this is my PCB. Okay, need to set my cell phone again in my stand. So we was not issue in this inverter. We was had just issue in the switches, and I replace. Then okay, I need to turn off and close. And one I have one more inverter. This is the another 5 kilowatt. And this is completely silent, and the model is Sunglow VM2 5000. Okay, Sunglow VM2 5000. Okay, now I need to remove the power from this inverter. These are the screws of this. First, I need to tight these screws. But before this, I need to set this ends. Okay. Always the English speakers subscribe me for English videos in English language, and I create some videos in another language, but this was my mistake to create live streams in other language. So I decide I don't need to repair the inverters in live stream with another language, and sorry for this. And next time I need to keep care or take care to repair the inverters in other languages. I need to just repair in English language because this is the international language. Sorry, I touched the cell phone with my screwdriver again. Sorry. It's okay. And after this, I need to repair this another Sunglow VM2 5000, and I'm also repairing the inverters in live stream. And you can check my lives 6 hours and 7 hours continuously. I repair the inverters in one live stream. But I was decided one day I need to repair the inverter in another language, and this was my mistake because today I repaired the special inverter for learning, but I not receive a feedback or review, and I I was also asked, are you learn from me? Are you learn? No, anybody give an answer. yes or no. So I decide today I don't need to repair the inverters in this language because I am not receiving any feedback for my hard work. So I need to repair this in English because I always receive a good review. And uh, I ask the question what we can call this thing in the language. So no anybody tell me. I asked 3 to 4 times in 3 to 4 live streams, and no anybody tell me about the in the language what the name of this in Urdu, and no anybody tell me about this thing. And I was asked also English. I learn like this in one live stream. I ask what we can call this in English language, so the person quickly give answer, and I ask a lot about tools like this and some much more things, and I learn. So I need to repair with my this little wrong and little good English. Okay, this is okay. And now I need to get more inverter. Okay, we have issue in this. This is completely silent. I checked few hours ago when I received this inverter, and this is the sun glow. Ah, wow, turn on. No any feedback, no any response we have. Okay, so first of all, I'm giving a tip for you. Remove this switch. Oh man, and we need to do a maintenance for this inverter because we have a lot of dust in this dust filter, so we need to disassemble this. This is already completely silent. Okay, oh yeah, oh, this is the first time opening. Okay, and now we have two another screws here. The one is here. Set. Remove the top core carefully. Okay. Where we have? Oh, here. It's okay. First of all, I need to turn on my light. It's okay. cut this zip tie and don't through first. Okay, why I'm telling you, because this is the reminder to install again. Okay, just remove and keep in this box. Okay, now we need to remove the LCD strip like this. Okay, and here we have LED panel. That's okay. I remove this. Walyara. Yes, man, this is the inverter. Okay. First of all, we need to check the switch, and we need to bypass the switch with the or shunt the switch. First, I need to provide a power. Okay, and now I am shunting the switch with this conductor. Okay, no, yes, I receive a response, the inverter start, and I think and I hope we have just issue in our switch. Yes, first we need to turn off. It's okay. And easily, how you can remove this switch easily without removing any operation. So you need to have, I'm searching for where I keep the tool. If you have like this tool, just check the method. Okay, remove like this easily. Okay, yeah, I remove. Okay, and I remove the power. Remember this thing. Okay, and now I need to remove this switch strip with the angle tweezer. Amen. I need to, that's okay. We have issue in this, and this is the original button, but we have the dust in this. So I'm trying to clean this because this is the original button. I have a button, but not the quality button, so I need to clean this. Okay, and you know about remove like this carefully. Okay, and remove this, keep here carefully. Okay, and remove this conductor here. Okay, and get some cotton swab, provide some thinner. Okay, and clean the dust. We have just a dust in this switch, as you can see. Okay, now I need to clean this another, clean with this another side. And the customer said when I turn on 3 and off 3 to 4 times, after that our inverter is turned on. So I understand what the issue in this inverter we have. This is just for providing a milliamps on this button, but the dust damaged this. Okay, and now I'm cleaning this. Keep in the tweezer or hold in the tweezer and clean this. Clean this. Okay, now I need to more clean. Hold carefully. It's clean the point. It's clean, and now we need to keep here again. It's okay. Now we need to clean this thing. Take care of this bearing ball. This is the bearing ball, not the ball bearing. This is the bearing ball. It's done. And now we need to set the position for this, because here we have a dot to on, and how we can know about this to set on one time. Okay, when I press this side, so the condition is off, and when I push on this side, so the condition or status is on. So when we keep to press like this, so they're turning off, so we need to set on this direction, and when we press the dot, this is the good direction for this. It's okay, successfully. And now we need to check the continuity, okay, of this button. Set your multimeter on continuity mode and connect this with this. Okay, and now the button is off. As you can see, the dot is up, and when I turn on, yeah, okay, again it's okay, again it's okay. Turn on, install first. Okay, first I need to set the direction in open area. It's okay. And now I need to just connect this strip with the angle tweezer. It's okay, it's connected. And now keep care or take care for this, because some inverter I receive with the opposite icon. We need to set this dot with this one. Okay, yeah, working. Now I need to provide a power first to check the button. First turn off, and now turn on. Yes, then inverter start. Okay, and now I need to connect the LCD and check everything about this inverter, and how you can check the inverter, like PV voltages and like electricity utility. Okay, first I need how you can install easily this. Keep this top core like on this position. Okay, I'm just checking the inverter, and after that I need to clean this with the air blower. Okay, but first I need to check this, and first install the LED strip. Oh man, come carefully, don't apply force. Okay, that's okay. Okay, install with angle tweezer. And this is not the special video because we have just issue in our button. Okay, I need to set this in this angle. Okay, I installed. This is not the good design. Sunglow VM2. What the difference this VM2 and VM3? First I need to check this. Connect the charger. Okay. Turn on. It's okay. Then what is turn on? Oh, the voltage is too high. Okay. 01 error. Oh, fan error. 01 is the fan error. Okay, turn on again. Oh, 01, we have an issue in our cooling fan. Okay, why? I remove the far. Now I need to remove this top cover completely. And how we can maintain this. Remove this plastic hook first. Expire. Broken because this is the 2021 model. Okay. Keep the zip tie down through. This is the reminder to install again. Here we have one. Okay, here don't apply the force. You need to remove the plastic hook from here first. Okay, now remove. We have one more Yes, here we have one more. It's okay, remove. Wow, very cool design in this area. Okay, and here we have devalued capacitor. After some days this inverter, right, showing the fault 51 or fault 57 with this devalue capacitors. Okay, let's know about the cooling fan issue. Why we have a 01 error. Turn on. Okay, and let's check the cooling fan feedback voltages. Set your multimeter. DC voltages. First, we need to remove our cooling fan strips because the reading is here very hard. Okay, remove this strip. Okay, and the easy way to find the issue, because our both fan is running. So first of all, we need to install external cooling fan just for feedback. To know about, we have a issue in our main board, or we have a issue in our cooling fans. Okay, for this situation we need to install a cooling fan, external cooling fan. Now I know about this cooling fan is okay because I use this 2 hours ago, so I know about this. Okay, first I need to install this. You can install this with the angle tweezer easily. Okay, I install one strip and this is the second. Okay. And for know about this, we don't need to install the LED strip. We need to just install the LCD strip to know about this. Okay. So I need to keep this cooling fan here temporary, okay, because I need to connect this strip first. And I receive a good views in English language. Okay, and now I need to keep outside from this inverter. Okay, to know about this issue. Okay, turn off the light. Okay, let's check. Oh, that's mean we have issue and or main board, because I replaced the fan with this. Like this, the fan is running. Okay, the both fan is running, and we have still issue here, 0 1 for cooling fan. Okay, so we need to remove the main board first. Okay, remove this strip again. It's okay. And sometime we have issue in our control drive card because no any component in this cooling fan feedback is going directly in CPU microcontroller, MCU microcontroller unit. Okay, cut this zip tie and keep here. And first we need to remove this fan. Okay, first of all, when you want to remove the main board, okay, so first you need to remove this bus negative and bus positive. Bus positive, bus negative, and this is the 145 voltage strip. Remove this. Okay, and this strip was removed. Why? Are you know about this little circuit? Who know about this circuit? It's okay. Remove from here. It's okay. It's okay, man. And after that, you need to remove this and this. After that, you need to remove this strip. Okay, this strip and this carefully. Okay, keep here. And here we have 6 screws on this solar charge controller. First we need to remove these 6 screws. Okay. This is the 5, and here we have one more, number 6 here. That's okay. And after that, you can remove easily. Just keep on safe area. Okay. And after that, you need to remove the switch. Okay, like previous. Keep the switch in the box. And now you need to remove this output neutral and output line. The blue is output neutral and the brown is output line. In some countries, the black and white, the black bar line and the white is bar neutral. Okay, but here we have blue and brown worldwide. Okay, after that you need to remove all the screw from here. This is the 2021 model and count One, one here. Okay, we need to know about more screws on this. And I think we have not more screws on this. So let's try. Don't apply force, okay? Here we have a thermopad with a double-sided tap properties. So attach your finger like this and apply some force and move the board. The board is moving, so it's mean apply force and you need to wait for some seconds to remove the thermopad. Okay, coming, that's okay. And now you can easily remove. I think this is not good, so we need to remove this cooling fan for this. Okay, man, why are you stuck here? It's okay, remove. Okay, again we need to wait. It's okay, remove carefully. Okay, this is a thermopad with the double-sided tap properties. It's okay. First up, all I need to clean this board from this dust with the air blower. So first I need to mute my mic to clean this because here are starting some noises. To clean the dust, down your phone volume, okay? Down your multimedia volume because okay? Now I need to clean this. Okay, I'm coming with the clean PCB. Yes, clean, very clean from dust. And here we need to clean this liquid with the cotton swab. joyful moment. That's it. Okay. First of all, we need to know about why we have a cooling fan issue, feedback issue. Okay, I am guiding you how we can find. Okay, for feedback, first I need to know to tell about this cooling fan feedback. As you can see, here we have a red for positive operating voltages. Here we have a negative or negative voltages, and the yellow wire is using for feedback. Okay, what type of feedback? First I need to teach about this. Okay, I need to keep this pen on this. This is the soft thing. Okay, and we need to know about the cooling fan. The feedback. So for temporary, I need to connect this with the. This is the positive. Okay, and this is the negative, just for temporary, to check the cooling fan feedback and how you can check. I'm just collecting the probes for this to attach with this. This is the positive and this is the negative. Okay, now I need to connect this with the power supply. It's okay, take care of it, keep care. First I need to keep this cooling fan here to teach about the cooling fan feedback. Set your multimeter on DC voltages. Okay, and first you need to know about the 12.3 and to 12 from 12.5. Okay, this is the power operating voltages. Okay, 12.19, and keep the multimeter negative positive probe on the red positive voltages, and the feedback is coming on yellow with negative power. Okay, and check how much voltages we have on this. We have a true voltages feedback. Okay, at one something voltages. That's okay. This pen is okay. And now I need to check another. And I think I hope we have issue in our main board or control drive. We can find. We need to do some more effort for this. Okay, first I need to set this. Okay, provide the power positive. Why you stuck here? Okay, positive, stuck. Why? It's okay. Positive, and this is the negative. keep here carefully. Okay, and check, connect the positive directly and check the negative voltages. 7.9. It's okay. Why? Because here we have 12.07. The pen is completely okay. We have issue in our main board or our main control drive card, not in cooling fan. Okay. So now I need to keep this Zener diode again in the box, just use power, provide the power. Okay, and how we can troubleshoot this. Okay, I need to know, we need to connect the solar charge controller to on the inverter in open area. And remove the LCD from the stopcock because it's hard to hold this thing again and again. I'm just removing the screws. I remove the LCD. And now I need to connect the solar charge controller. First I need to clean this. It's okay. Connect this strip, bus negative, bus positive, and this 145 volt power strip. To operate this, it's okay. Connect the cooling fan. Okay, connect LCD. Keep some isolator. It's okay. Install switch, external switch. Okay. I think oh, 151. Okay. Yeah, turn off. Turn on again. fault 51. I told you before this. Okay, why? Here we have some devalued capacitors, and what the solution for this, and how you can check about the fault 51, and how you can troubleshoot the fault 51. I am giving you a tips for fault 51. I need to run the inverter with cooling fan, and after that I need to read the voltages related with the fault 51. Okay, and I need to again provide power. Okay, and I need to remove the LCD first, because I need to keep the board on this side. And how you can keep the board on this side, another side in this situation, remember, keep this heatsink in your left hand and hold this in your right hand. Okay, and keep like this. Yes, man. No any doubt, no any dangerous thing. Okay, now we connected the cooling fan, we connected the power supply, and we connected all the things. Okay, okay, and how you can check about the fault 51? Let's check. Turn on your inverter. Okay, I think my switch is not working. First I need to, okay, I have isolate another switch. I not power, so I need to isolate this quickly. Just for temporary isolate. Okay, and install. I just forget this thing. Okay, our inverter is turned on, and now how you can check about the fault 51? Here we have our negative voltage regulator, and the number is L712, negative voltage regulator. Okay, and I need to set and little zoom this. Okay, here we have, this is the negative voltage regulator, and the pin number 1 is positive G and D. Okay, positive G and D, and the pin number 2 is input, and we need to have a power on pin number 2 input, 14.5 to 15.5 or 16 voltages. This is the required voltages on these pins. Here we have 13.42, and for output we need to have 12 volts. Okay, and here we have 11.2, and this voltages is not enough. Okay, what the reason? The reason is that first I need to turn off this inverter, decrease the power supply. Okay, and when I decrease, it's okay, and turn on to discharge the all capacitors. Okay, discharge and turn off again. here we have two capacitors on L712. The one is connected with the input and the one is connected with the output. Okay, I'm telling you. First, we need to keep the board on this side again. Hold this, okay, don't worry. No, anything going wrong with this board, okay. After that, hold from one inductor and pull up the board, okay. And after that, separate again this charge controller, okay. That's okay. Remove the power, okay. And here, okay, I am removing the cooling fan straps, okay. This is the negative. This is the negative voltage regulator L712 CV, okay. This is the negative voltage regulator, okay. And if you are reading, keep the multimeter positive probe on pin number 1 and keep the negative on pin number 2. And here you need to have uh, 14.5 to 15.5 or 16 volts. This is the required voltages to provide a 12-volt output for you, okay. The first thing is that, okay, this negative voltage regulator with the related completely fault 51 and fault 57, okay. So first we need to know about the input capacitor. I receive a lot of 51 faults and just was related with this single capacitor 100 UF and 25 volts, okay. So first of all we need to remove these capacitors. That's okay. Reflection, okay. Keep this tape, okay. And first of all you need to know about the capacitor and how you can find the input capacitor, okay. Set your multimeter on continuity mode and keep the multimeter negative or positive or 1, okay. And this capacitor is connected with this pin number 1 and pin number 3. So the meaning is that this is connected with the output. We need to find the input capacitor and the capacitor is here. But how you can find the capacitor? One pin is connected with the pin number 1 of this negative voltage regulator. This is the capacitor connected with one pin number 1, and this is the other pin of this capacitor, and this is the pin number 2 of negative voltage regulator. So this is our input capacitor, and when I remove, you need to check. This is the 100 UF and 25 volts, okay. And this is the bended pins. So first you need to straight this capacitor pins first, okay, because here we have a bend with 90-degree, okay. So you need to straight this first, okay. Melt this, keep soldering iron on this and straight this pin first for easy removing, okay. I straight this And now I need to straight this another fin for easy removing. Okay, I need to keep the soldering iron in my left hand and I need to set this. First I need to provide some here. Okay, I straight the fin and now provide some new solder here. These two fins, and you can remove with the desoldering wick. I need to boost my soldering station to 400. Okay, I remove the capacitor, no any print damage, this is just the solder. Okay, and we need to check the capacity first of this capacitor. Set your multimeter on capacitance mode. Okay, and check the capacity. No any capacity we have in this capacitor, and this is the 100 UFN at 25 volts. Check. Oh, I need to show the multimeter. I missed the shot, and now I need to repeat this process. As you can see, don't touch the fingers with the incapacitance mode. Okay, no any capacitance we have in this capacitor, and this is the 100 UF and 25 volts. So first I need to replace this capacitor, but first I need to remove the solder from this solder masks. You can use desoldering foam and you can use a desoldering wick. Okay, but here we have a little component, so we need to use the desoldering wick if possible. Okay, I think this is not possible to. Okay, that's done, but not done. Now done. That's okay. Now I need to clean this another. That's okay. Clean first. I'm just removing this capacitor from this board. This is my board, and I have a good capacitor of 100 UF and 25 volt. And after that, I need to check the capacitance of this first. It's okay. Now check the capacitance of this capacitor. 109 UF. It's okay. Install. And this is the negative. Come here, and this is the positive. Okay. I need to install this on this direction, but it's not possible to install from this side, so I need to keep a board on this side. That's okay. need to replace this. Okay, but first we need to know about the fault 51. To clear this thing, first maybe the cooling fan issue we have with this components. Okay, I need to just solder this capacitor and don't bend the fins, okay, because after that you need to remove. Then why you are bending, man? It's okay, it's done. Now we need to remove this this is the 1000 UF, I think. Yes, this is the 1000 UF and 16 volts, and the two capacitors we need to remove. But first I need to strut the fins. What is this, man? Why this company bend the fins? This is not the good thing, man, to bend the component pins. But for easy removing, you need to strut this, melt first, okay, melt first and get some sharp tweezer and strut. Okay, I need to attach some plate thing to strut. Okay, I strut this, and now I need to try with this one strut and one bend. As you can hearing the sound of like kir 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 kir. It's a bend pin. Okay. To remove the solder from here quickly. It's okay. And here we have one another. I am trying without straightening the fin. Oh man, it's very hard to remove. And you need to provide a lot of force, but first you need to melt the solder. Okay, now we need to check the capacitance of this capacitors. Negative. Oh, 178, and the capacitor is 1000 UF and 16 volts a second. Oh, 59. Wow. Okay, now I need to install the capacitors. Okay, 1056 UF. Clean solder masks. It's okay. Install the capacitor first. Here we have some solder. First I need to Remove this. It's okay. Remove. Here we have little more. It's okay. Remove. Okay. It's okay. Now I need to cut the extra pins. And check. Clean and check. It's okay. Bus positive, bus negative. The strap, the strap, the strap. Provide power, but first cooling fan. Okay. For LCD isolation. Okay. Provide power. Turn off. Okay. Increase the power. Turn on. Okay. Stand up. Zero one again. Okay. Now we need to check about the feedback in the main control board first. Okay. Turn off. It's okay. Move the power. Turn on to discharge the capacitors. Remove the LCD. Remove cooling fan. Okay, now we need to know about the feedback network. The feedback network is like that. First, you need to know about the fins. Here we have a straps for cooling fan, and this is the direction of female socket or jack. Okay, this is the direction. Pin number 1. First I need to set this. Yes, confirm. The red is pin number 1. Okay, now we need to know about this. Red is pin number 1. So in the middle we have a feedback for this first. Okay, and this middle pin we have a one diode A2 diode. The diode resistance is true. Okay, and after the diode the connection is going here with the how much resistance. First I need to know about this, the marking code of this resistor. Zero one D, and after that I need to check the 01D resistance. 01D. Okay, 01D. 100 kilo ohms. Wow. Why? Okay, I think this is connected with this 10 kilo ohm resistance. First I need to check this. This is the one side connection. Same line. Okay, and after that, no. Okay, here we have 101D, and here we have a 01A, 100 ohm. This is the true resistance of this inverter and resistor, and here we have one another 100 ohm. This is the true resistance. Okay, and here we have one diode for this cooling fan network, true resistance, and here we have two N-channel MOSFETs. This resistance is true, and here we have one another. This resistance is not true. Okay, so I need to remove this N-channel MOSFET first from board. And the good thing is that I need to remove with the soldering iron, because in some time not removing with hot air, broken, I receive broken body. This is the successful method to remove like this. Okay, very clear, easy. And okay, now you need to check how you can check this little N-channel MOSFET. First I need to provide some little solder here to attach this little N-channel MOSFET here and check with the multimeter. Okay, so this is the good area to attach with this pin, temporary. Okay, And how you can check this MOSFET? Keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 2 of this MOSFET in the middle. This is the pin number 2. This is the drain pin and this is the source pin. And here we have a short resistance for this MOSFET. Okay. And after that, oh, we have a continuity on gate pin. Okay. And this is the same MOSFET with this. Okay. So we need to don't have any continuity with the gate pin. Okay, this is just the MOSFET small size. Okay, so this is the true resistance of the MOSFET, internal resistance with the drain and source, and this is the gate, and we have not any continuity. And when you apply the positive voltages on the gate, after that I need to switch the MOSFET and I need 0 ohm resistance, as you can see here. Okay, and when you apply a negative on the gate again, so I need here again a resistance. It's okay, this is the MOSFET. And like this is the pin number 2 drain, like this. Okay, and this is the pin 3. Okay, the first thing is low resistance and the second is the gate continuity, so this MOSFET is not okay. So I need to remove this and through, and now I need to install a one true MOSFET. Okay, here I have a lot of MOSFET in this BMS. Okay, and I need to install. First I need to remove and after that I need to check. But first I need to clean this in this circuit because I have some conformal coating on this circuit. Okay, I remove the conformal coating. Now I need to remove the MOSFET. Okay, finally I remove, and let's check. Okay, 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 I attach here, not attached. Okay, no man, why? Okay, I attached, and let's check about this little MOSFET. This is the pin number 2 drain and this is the source. As you can see, here we have 500 and some ohms. Okay, and when I apply a positive voltages on the gate, after that we need to switch like this, as you can see and as you can hearing. And when I apply a negative on this, and after that we need to again the resistance. That's okay, this MOSFET is okay, and I can use here. It's okay. connected. Now I need to remove. I need to clean, sorry. And I hope this is good now. Okay, I need to keep the board on this side again. And after that, I am telling you why we was had a fault of pen. Okay. Bus positive, bus negative, and 145 volts strap. And this is the 18-volt strap to operate the 8350. It's okay, and this is the MPPT charge controller, solar charge controller. It's okay. And now I need to install the LCD isolation. It's okay. Provide power. Okay, I will turn on. Oh man. No any pen cooling fan issue. No any fault 51. Okay. Are you satisfied? Because the cooling fan is now closed. Why? They sense and they fast the cooling fan finally. Okay. Are you satisfied, man? I am teaching like that. Okay. And you need to watch my previous live. Okay. And you need to know about me. I am teaching best. Okay. In live streams, not in recorded video, and keep some things in privacy behind the scene. Okay. And now we need to assemble this again in the body to protect this board. Okay. It's okay. Another light. Wow. What the time here? Oh, my tab is off. It's okay. And how much charge? Okay. The time is here. 11:13. Oh man. So tomorrow I need to set this board. I need to keep this on the bench, because when I come tomorrow, I need to assemble this in the body first, and after that I need to work more and check the previous layer PV 7000. Okay. in which condition I receive this board. This is the optocoupler of this inverter, and think about this is the optocoupler. We have not a pin number 8. Okay, this is the one, and this is the second. We have not a pin. Let's check. And this is the IGBT of this inverter. I repaired, just check. In this condition I received this inverter, and now this inverter is okay. Tomorrow I need to just install this MOSFETs and run a load. I just turn on first try. On first try, first I set and I create a PWM modulation for this, and negative voltages and positive voltages and everything for this. And after that, when I apply a voltages and first try, I turn on my inverter without any fault. Okay, you can watch little. Okay, you need to watch the start, and I uh, prepare this in 4 live streams. Okay, you need to watch little, and after that, okay, this transformer was burned this, and I replaced the transformers. Finally I found, I received this in completely silent condition, and finally I repair this. Okay, oh man. And let's check, I'm ending this live, but let's check, I need to repair this tomorrow. I repaired this. I have 2 lithium batteries to repair, and this is the GrowArt SPF 3000 TL HVM. Okay, and I repaired this inverter already. This I already repair. Okay, and this is my boards, because this is I can touch this like this because this is my, okay. And this is my bench. Let's check. This is my lithium 100 amps power battery. Okay, and see you next time. Have sweet dreams. Good night.